Hello people, so today we will talk about Google Sheet and I would like to show you the way how to add break line on Google Sheet by iPhone. So here you just need to open your Google Sheet application and let's just start the new project here. And create the title, just go click create and now you have an access into the blank document. Now let's just try to type a long sentence into one cell here. So you just need to go click it and let's say now you just need to go with this pencil and type the text that you want to type. So here I will let to try to type how to add the break line on Google Sheet mobile. And now you can see if we want to have the new line here but then it's still in the same cells, we want to or we're willing to click this return like we usually do, but then it will not gonna work in a Google Sheet application on your mobile phone or even on your personal computer. If we want to add the break line on the iPhone especially, you can just do this instead. First thing you have to do is bring the cursor into the place between the words that you want to add the break lines to. So let's say here I would like to give a break line between the word line and on. So I would like to place this cursor into this between this word. And now you just need to tap the cursors again and they will give you this option. So you just need to expand this option by go with this part and there will be an option to insert line break. So you just need to go click them and the text will be right away placed into the second line on the same cells. So that is the way how to add line break or break line on a Google Sheet by iPhone. Hopefully you enjoyed this video and let's see you again into the other tutorial.